Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. We're back out here with the 2010 Corolla S. So what we're going to do today is attempt to clean up the floors from pulling the carpets out. As you can see, they're pretty disgusting. There's ashes that somehow got under body panels. There's some stains here and there. So we'll get you set up. We'll try to clean this up. I'm probably honestly just going to get a hose and spray all this stuff down. I'm going to try to be careful around the dash and stuff. I don't obviously want to get this stuff too wet. But I got the battery disconnected, so we shouldn't have any issues. So we'll get started here. Alright, so I know a lot of you are probably thinking, what the hell did this guy just do to this car? So like I said, I've got the battery disconnected. I did not spray the actual dash. I will not spray the actual dash. I did get a little, overspray on it. But I have done this so many times to cars. As long as you let everything dry out afterwards, you shouldn't run into any issues with any electrical systems. Disclaimer, please don't just go do this to your car and expect everything to work. It's a risk I'm willing to take. I'm not suggesting you guys take that risk. So I'll get in here with my shop vac set to suck out water. I'm going to suck out as much of this water as I can. You saw I sprayed the back door panels. They just have the switches in here for the windows. Nothing else really to worry about. I'll try to suck the switches out best I can. I did not spray the front doors because they have the speakers in the door panels. Trunk was nasty. I'll probably go ahead and pull these trim panels out, just let them dry out properly. But yeah, I mean, I'm not too worried about it. It already looks a lot better than it did. It probably is going to smell a whole lot better. Again, do this at your own risk. So I'm going to go ahead and suck this out with a vacuum and set you guys up. All right. I think you guys get the idea here. So I'll finish vacuuming out the driver's side, making sure to hit all the plugs and stuff. But after that, I'll get a terry cloth towel and I'll wipe everything down that I wasn't able to suck out with the vacuum. Should also help pick up some of this dirt that wasn't broke free just using the water. So after that, I'll go ahead and wipe down all the dash and all that stuff, get all the ashes out of it, dog hair, whatnot, door panels, and then I don't mind my little shop buddy up there. Let's go see what he's doing. I've let him out, but he's the neighbors let their dog out and the fence isn't complete yet. So there he is. That's Vader. Hey buddy, what you doing? Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Come here. Hey, let's go back inside. Anyways, guys, so I'll finish wiping down the interior, let it dry out real good, and then we'll get ready to put the carpets and stuff back in. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. And always, like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.